One of the questions that people have sometimes asked me as a product manager is how big should the engineering team would be in order for them as product managers to have proper support. So this really depends on the type of industry that you're in. The more of a kind of a maintenance mode your product is in, and the more of a mature product you have, the larger the size of the engineering team could be, because the changes that you're making are less significant and less of a kind of a research and development type of change. So because of that, you can kind of rely on product design team to maybe provide their design upgrades for you to quickly review them and pass them to the engineering team. Whereas the more of a kind of a research and development area or an industry you're in, so for example in Web3, the smaller the team should be. So I think the range really goes anywhere between like 5 to 15. The larger the organization, like for example, if you're dealing like, let's say with a bank, you're working at a bank and you're part of the mobile banking team. The engineering team could be as big as 15, including QA, maybe including product design as well, supporting you. Whereas if you're really working in a kind of a environment where the engineering team also relies heavily on you to figure out product roadmap, product strategy. You have to do a lot of trade-off analysis. You have to look at trends in the market. It's a highly evolving industry and you have to really stay on top of what's happening overall. Then the size of the team should be closer to 5 for every product manager. Hope you find this tip helpful. See you next week.